Now we have to design a program for calculating the geometric sequence. Calculate the term of n number and the summation of all the terms inside the geometric sequence. Okay, so we have here the first term, which is a, and the ratio, the common ratio, which is r, which is the division between two adjacent terms, and the exponential of n minus 1, which is n, the number of terms inside this geometric sequence, and summation of any numbers equals the first term times r power 2 n, the total terms, minus 1, divided by r, the ratio, the common ratio, minus 1. Okay, so how we do this? And this is the code I written it, and I developed and examined it and debugged it, and it's okay now with code blocks. Okay, we have a main function. Okay, and inside this main function I define the variables which are float, and the other variables which n, m, and power, which are integers. Okay, so this integer value, this is the total number of the terms. This is the index of the one term, any term, and this is power for calculating the exponential function. Okay, so here the exponential function, this is included in the mass preprocessor file, which included in the library of the code blocks, and I attached it by putting this statement inside the preprocessors. Okay, and don't forget, this is the standard input output. This is very important, and this is included in all projects, but this one is included only when using the math equation, such as this exponential function. Okay, an exponential function, the r means the base and power means the exponential. Okay, so this variable is put first, and the other variable is the exponential. Okay, it is the base power 2, and the function name is boo, and this is built in the C. Okay, and all this is put it here in the variable which is name is x. Okay, so first I tell the user to enter the first term, which is a, stored in a, and enter the common ratio, will be stored in r, and enter the terms, total number of terms, which will be stored in the n variable. Okay, and note that this is integer value, but this is floating value, so this is the format for the floating, and this is r defined as float variable. Okay, this is very important to note, and to declare the needed data types for each variable. Okay, if your variable you guess that it will contain fractional or decimal point, so it's float, you have to declare it as float. Okay, and then I ask for to process power equals m minus 1. Okay, why power equals m minus 1? Because we go back to the equation. Yes, this is n minus 1, which is here is in power. Okay, and the m is the index of the term. Okay, okay, ده اللي هو term at index n. Okay, and here n in the program I called it m. Okay, then I calculate x, which is boo, r, and power. Okay, then the term equals a times x, and at last I output this, the value of term, which is index, its index is m, and at last I calculate the summation of the total terms by these equations. This is for exponential, which is this one, this is the exponential. Okay, the term exponential was this one, r over n, and y minus 1 times a, and all divided by r minus 1. This is the equation. Just you are writing equations in this program. Let's try. Try. Enter the first term. Mm. Enter the first term. 1. Okay. Enter the comma ratio. 2. Okay. Enter the number of terms. 10 number of terms. Okay. Enter the term index. I have 10 terms. I will calculate the term number 5. Okay. So the term number 5 value is 16. The summation of all terms is equal to this one, but this here is some mistake in the program. Okay. Thanks for the listening.